Yep, that's me. You're probably wondering how I ended up in this situation.
Shawarma kiosk. Okay, na-start na tayo. Ooh. Saan tayo pupunta? Ito yung shawarma kiosk natin. Press Q. Q? To unlock. Ano ba? Punta ako sa likod. Ito ba? Open. Uy, puta. Gugulat ako sa ano. Kayo mag-send, guys.
Welcome to your night shift at Shawarma
Yes,
Kiosk.
I'm happy to serve with you.
Let's start with the basics. Step 1. Turn on the grill.
Where's the
Customers
grill?
just love their
Where's the
shawarma
grill?
hot.
Where's the grill? Saan may grill? Wait. Grill. Where's the grill? Isara nga muna natin ito baka pumasok. Ito? Ito ba yung grill? Ayaw. Hoy, asa yung grill? Turn on the grill. So may rep. Ah, ito. Okay. Parang masyadong mana yung
Open the
mouse ko,
window
guys.
and let everyone know you're ready.
Next. Ready to
Before
serve!
serving, be sure to read
the
the
rules.
safety rules.
Welcome to the night shift. Stay calm and follow the rules. If your slimy customer comes in, hand him a soda. And when moving the bundle, you must stay sealed under the counter. Every Friday around 2 a.m., a car with no driver will arrive. That's inspection niya. Exit to the back door. Should be meet the squirrel begin the balls.
Already on their way.
Uy, paano to? Okay! Welcome to sir! Welcome to my shawarma. Uy, masarap pa shawarma, ah. Masarap ang shawarma. Paano ba to? Lang. Uy, may customer na tayo. Dapat check agad natin yan kung legit o hindi. Go. Uy, paano exit? Hi, madam! Welcome! Okay. One shawarma.
All right, that will be 150.
Oh, yan. Nagbayad, guys. Start the laba. Ano to? Lavash? Lavash pasok. Lagyan ng mayo. Mayo. Chess. Chess ba? Chess. Salad. Next. Ano? Meat. Nasa yung meat? Ayun. Ayun. Meat! Ay, mawala. Hiwain natin. Tapos, meat refill to continue. Ah, ito. Okay. Cook. Bang.
Here
Okay
you go.
na.
Finally, smells amazing.
Yes, amazing. Ba? Hindi pa. Pag alas 2 daw lalabas na. Sa pinto! Sa pinto! May nakita ko dito! Oh my God! Ayan! Hindi natin kinatuwa siya. Ay, customer tayo, customer on off. Wala, nawawala siya! Ah! Nawawala siya, guys! Alis, alis! Bukas, sarado, sarado agad. Ah! Ay! Ayoko na! guys. Hello? Nandun pa rin siya. Ayaw niya umalis, te. Eh, gugulatin ako niyan eh. Yes!
Give me one shawarma, extra sauce.
Multo na.
Sure thing, 150.
Ayoko, wala ka dyan. Ayaw. Yes, ayun no. Yes.
One shawarma.
Yes, oh. Oh.
Come on.
Eh! Gagi dancer! Eh! Eh!
When
Yeah.
you wash your hands and go to the bathroom. Never mind. I don't want to know that.
Teka lang. I will give you, okay? Ayaw na naman, ti. Teka nga, check ko nga muna tong hayop na to. Yun o, panis. Oh. Hey! Nilalapitan ko talaga, oh. Siyempre, takot talaga ako. Mag-isa lang ako dito eh. Yeah, here we go. There you go. This is your shawarma. Yan.
Here you
Okay, here we go. Let's go! Na, diba? Bangis ng customer na. Hello, customer? Yan na. Yes, madam?
One shawarma. Haven't eaten since lunch.
Lunch, eh gabi ni.
Alright, that will be 150.
Oh! Alien! Ay! Alien siya!
You just closed it in my
Tingnan
face.
mo!
I've been
Oh!
starving all day.
Ay! Hindi normal yon. Open tayo ulit. Ay! Sumasayo. Eh! Ayaw na lang ng mga ano eh. Mga sayaw-sayaw eh. Ay, ko nakakatakot yung mukha nito. Zombie
One
ba to?
shawarma, please.
Late dinner?
Wala ako dyan.
My kids already ate, but I skipped. I'll cook after today.
Zombie yun
Once
eh.
the kids are fed, I only wanted something small for myself. And even that I can't get. What a joke.
No, you are a zombie. Alis dun. Grabe, hirap na talaga ngayon. Di na natin alam kung sino yung totoo. May kumakatok po! May kumakatok, guys! Ay! Walang tao! Magbubukas ba ako? Uy, iba na.
Good evening. What would you like?
Yes, sir.
One shawarma.
One shawarma. Check mo na.
Regular one, 150. Any extras?
No extras, just make it fast.
Got it. That will be 150.
Sir, teka lang, sir, ah. Mag-isa lang ako. Cheese. Gulay. Gusto mo? Kumain ka ng gulay. Yan. There you go. Thank you,
Here's your
sir.
shawarma.
Thank you for
Good.
coming. Yes, good. Shoo. Oh my god. What is time is it? It's already 1 a.m. Kailangan natin umalis ng 2 a.m. Ah! Ah! Ay! Fuck! Ano yun? Ano yun? Ay! Sa taas pa! Ayoko tumingin sa taas, mama! Ay! May tao sa taas! Ay! Ayun o! What the freak? What the freak? Alis ka dyan! Ano ba yun?
One shawarma, please, and make it quick.
Ano yun? Ba't meron sa
I'm already
taas?
late because of work.
Long shift.
One shawarma?
Yeah, boss kept me overtime again. At least I'll get some food before heading home.
Something else?
Soda.
Soda? Soda?
Got it. The soda is 50, total 200.
Teka lang, soda daw. Ito na, wait lang. Oh my god, may tao dun sa taas! Sawadari-dari, bigarubari, dancing with money, doing whatever we want. This is our time, this is our love, and we can't stop. And we can't... Uy, ano pa yung kukunin ko? Mew! Mama ko. Kailangan natin magtrabaho eh. Mama ko. Hoy, Gib. Soda. Nandun pa rin siya sa taas, te. Ay! Ayoko na.
Here's your
Thank you, ma'am. Good? Yan. Diyos ko po. Next. Uy, wait lang. What is time is it? 1:17? Sara natin. Ano ba yan? Ay,
Oh, shawarma. Now.
yeah, bro. Shawarma, bro. Wait.
Don't
Check
screw
natin
it
to.
up.
anything else?
Ay, legit to. Legit.
No, that's enough.
Gusto mo,
Make
sir?
it fast. I'm starving here.
The
Soft
soda is
drinks?
total 200.
Sa taas siya! Ang ginagawa mo dyan! Natatakot ka ba? Nagtatrabaho lang ako dito, ha? Ang ganyanan, bro. Ba? Work lang tayo dito. Diyos ko po. Hindi na maibigay sa'yo to. May tao sa taas, bro, eh. Uh.
Here you go.
Thank you.
Finally. Thought I'd starve out here.
Oh, maraming salamat. You can go now.
At least you didn't mess it up.
Ano yun? I mess it up daw? Ano yun? Ano boy? 10 minutes na lang ah. We need to close. Oh, 1:30 na, 1:30. Lalabas na ba ako? Huwag muna. Ano yun? Parang may ano. Anong gagawin ko? Maghahantay ng customer? Pasok mga suki! Press dip! 10-10 at iba pa. Off ko yung grill. So, ito. Off ko na yung grill. Gumagalaw yung meat. $130 pa din, hindi yung gumagalaw eh. Labas ako? Lalabas ako? Uy, siya nga, yun yung kanina.
Drop in the money pop shop for a living and baby gon' smell blood, tread every minute road wave when the people no feel when I hit it every time I see a beat I hit it